Hello everyone. Welcome to online class of science. In this video, we will discuss our new chapter which is weather and climate, an adaptation of animals to climate. So let's get start our chapter. First of all, going through the chapter, first of all we discuss which topic we will cover in this chapter. First one, introduction about weather, weather report, elements of weather, climate, factor affecting climate of place, climate and adaptations, polar region, adaptation in polar bear, adaptation in penguins, adaptation in migratory birds, and the tropical rainforest and the adaptation. These few topics which we will cover in this chapter. Now start our chapter from introduction. In introduction you see when you go to hill station, which type of clothes you are packed? Of course, woolen clothes. And now if you go in a Rajasthan like places, so which type of clothes you will have to pack to visit Rajasthan? Obviously cotton clothes. Like this, that you can see why we can just pack different types of clothes to visiting different places. Just this question you arised in your mind, why we can do things like that. So one question is, answer of this question is very easy, because of the weather condition and the climate conditions. So in this chapter we will discuss about the weather and climate and what is the difference between them and how the living organisms adapt to them in a particular weather and climatic conditions. Okay, now we can start with first topic, which is weather. Weather in Hindi called Mausam. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called as the weather of that place. The weather can be cold for a day, or while sometime it is hot or humid for another day. The weather in a coastal area is very different than the desert and hilly areas. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind speed are called the elements of the weather. The weather at a place changes every day. Sometimes it is more warm, more humid, more cloudy, or more windy. But sometimes it is less warm, less humid, less cloudy, or less windy. It may rain for an hour in the morning and then become sunny and clean right after that. We can observe this kind of weather in our day-to-day life. Our day-to-day work also sometimes depend on the weather conditions. Now, meteorology. What is the meteorology? Meteorological department of the government collects the data of temperature, humidity, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. Meteorology is the interdisciplinary scientific study of the atmosphere, and the meteorologist, a person who study the weather. The weather experts use computer technology and data from Earth stations and satellites to predict the weather. Now next topic, a weather report. What is a weather report? A daily report about weather which is released by meteorology department is called weather report. The weather report are also read on radio. You can see on television also. Okay, the daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity, and rainfall during the past 24 hours. If you see in this diagram, this is the weather report of 7 days. And here it is the weather report of Kolkata of 7 days, and you can see the temperature is vary from 28 degree, and second one 27 degree, 26, then again 27, 29. You can see this temperature is vary per day. Okay, so temperature of our atmosphere changes every day. This data implies. Okay, now next topic is elements of weather. Which things affect the weather? There is a various factor which influence the weather. For example, temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, etc. Let us discuss one by one each. Temperature. A temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness and coolness of an object. The maximum temperature of the day occurs in the afternoon as the earth gets heated by the sun. At night, as the sun rays do not fall at that place, it cools down, thereby bringing down the temperature. The minimum temperature occurs early in the morning. The special thermometers are called as maximum and minimum thermometers to measure the temperature. Now next factor is humidity. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor present in atmosphere. Humidity indicates the likelihood of precipitation. A device is used to measure humidity is called as hygrometer or hygrometer. Humidity is also measured with the help of satellites. Next topic, rain. The greater the humidity, more are the chance of rain. The rainfall is measured by an instrument called as rain gauge. If you see this diagram, this is the diagram of rain gauge. Rain gauge is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. In India, rain is mainly brought by two kinds of humidity. Lateral winds. These are the southwest monsoon, June to September, which bring heavy rain to most part of the country, and the northeast monsoon in November to March, which brings relatively lighter rains. Wind. This is another factor of weather. The wind is what? A moving air is called as wind. Okay, the speed of wind as well as direction of wind affects the condition of the weather. A wind vane is used to locate direction of wind, and the speed of wind measures with anemometer. This is the diagram of anemometer, and this is a wind vane. Now we are talking about the climate. What is the climate? Climate of a place is defined as the average weather condition at a particular place over a long period of time, about 25 years or more. Climate varies from place to place. If a temperature of a place is hot for most of the days, and if there is more rainfall, then we say that the climate of place is hot and wet. For example, in Kerala. In Kerala, what is there? The temperature is high, but rainfall is also more. That's why their place climate of that place is called as hot and wet climate. But if the temperature at a place is hot for most of the days and if there is a less rain, then we say that the climate of the place is hot and dry. For example is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, temperature is very high, but the rainfall is very less. So which type of climate it is? It is a hot and dry climate. Now the factors which affect the climate. First one is effect of sun in changing of a climate. First factor is sun. Due to the sun, the climate changes. The angle at which sunlight strikes the earth varies by local. The angle at which sunlight strikes the earth varies by location, time, etc. due to the earth's orbit around the sun and its rotation around its tilted axis. At and near the equator, lower altitudes, the sun's ray hits Earth's surface almost vertically, almost all year long, cause hot climate. It means at equator, the sun's ray strike directly. That's why the climate at equator part is so hot. At the poles, it means what? At a high altitude. High altitude is what? In a north pole side or a south pole side. The sunlight hardly reaches and cause cold climate. It is understand with the help of this diagram. The sun rays at the north pole and south pole reach very less. Sunlight is very less. That's why the reason at that place the whole year snow is there. Arctic and Antarctica is also found in this region only. Now next one is effect by the distance from the sea. This is on a climate. The climate of a place is also affected by its distance from the sea. The coastal areas being close to the sea have a moderate climate and the weather remains almost unchanged throughout the year. For example, the cities which is, for example, Mumbai. Mumbai is a place where the temperature is moderate, not too much cold and not too much hot climate is there. As we move inland away from sea, there is a drastic change in temperature during summer as well as in winters. For example, in UP or in Gorakhpur, if you're talking about here, in summer season too much hot is there, or in a winter season too much cold is there, because this UP and Gorakhpur is very far from the sea. In central part are dry and hot in summer and extremely cold in winters. It means the central region of our country, if you talk about the Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, these are the place, central part of our country, and the climate of these places are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Now move to the next topic. Here you can understand about the weather and climate. Now in this slide we will discuss about the difference between weather and climate. First point about weather, a day-to-day atmospheric condition at a specific place is called as weather. An average weather condition of a geographical region for at least 25 years of time span is termed as climate of that place. Weather of a place can vary even after an hour, or it takes a long time to change the climate of a place. This is a two important difference about weather and climate. This is all about weather and climate, and this is the first part of the video, and in next video we will discuss about the weather, climate and adaptation. Now thank you, and we will meet in next video.